Hi, this is your Professor Sudha Kolathuparambil, compound interest formula. If a principal P is invested at a rate R, here R is expressed as a decimal, compounded n times in a year. Here T represents the number of years. After T years, this principal will grow to an amount A. We can calculate that amount using this formula. This is known as the compound interest formula. A equal P times 1 plus R over n power nt. This nt is in the exponent. Here R is in decimal, n is the number of times it compounded, and t is in years. So if it is compounded annually, then n will be equal 1. If it is compounded semi-annually, then n will be 2. If it is compounded quarterly, then n will be equal 4. If it is compounded daily, then n will be equal 365. If it is compounded monthly, then n will be equal 12 because 12 months are there. Let's look at an example. Suppose that $1,000 is invested at 8% compounded quarterly. How much is the account at the end of 3 years? So first we will start with writing down the formula. A equal P times 1 plus R over n power nt. So P is given, that is 1000. Rate is 8%. 8% in decimal is 0.08. So 0.08. That means 8 divided by 100. In order to convert a percent into decimal, we will divide that number by 100. N is the number of times it compounded. So here it compounded quarterly. So quarterly means there are 4 quarters. So n equal 4. Then t is the time in years. So 3 years. So t is 3. Now substitute these values into the formula. So A equal 1000. 1 plus 0.08, n is 4, and in the exponent we have 4 times 3. Enter this into the calculator and you can find the value of A, and we can conclude that there is $1,268.24 in the account after 3 years.